This is a box, a heavy one. And this is Bob, a solid worker, dependable, curious.
Why is this here?
Oh, that's not good.
It's probably fine.
Spoiler, it's not fine. Bob could tough it out, or he could tell his supervisor, or he could end up at the ER, which means time off, claims, costs, paperwork, OSHA recordables, and possibly even litigation. Yikes.
You hurt your back, huh? I did that in high school. Let me take a look.
Hey, Mr. Supervisor, are you a trained medical professional?
Nope,
A superhero with X-ray vision?
definitely not.
So, what are you going to do for Bob?
Taken to the ER?
I was afraid you would say that. Let's take this from the top and see what would happen if Bob's company had Medcor's 24/7 Injury Triage. Sorry, Bob, this will be the last time. This time, Bob and his supervisor know exactly what to do.
Don't worry, Bob. I'm calling Medcor now.
In seconds, Bob's speaking with a medical pro.
This is Kathy, registered nurse. How can I help you?
Medcor's integrated triage system kicks in. Turns out, it's a minor sprain. Assessment done, outcome clear. No ER, no claim, no lost time. Bob gets care, Bob stays at work, everybody wins. For more serious cases, Medcor's nurses escalate instantly. Need a telemedicine consult? The nurse is happy to facilitate the visit. Diagnosis, prescription, back-to-work clearance, done, and done. And if it's beyond telemedicine, Medcor refers to your preferred provider network, not just whoever is nearby. Medcor triages over 400,000 workplace injuries each year. 98% of employees agree with the treatment plan, and the ROI, it averages 6 to 1. We're independent, portable, plug and play with any system, and we don't make money from claims. Fewer claims, smarter care, and a better outcome for both Bob and your bottom line. That's the magic of Medcor's 24/7 Injury Triage. Visit medcor.com to learn more.